Hello, I'm Chu. I have contacted you with email. Okay, this is our machine for UK production for UK. We have a big screen, and by side we have a big advertisement board. Now I introduce the process. Follow. First, press here. And I have a QR code paper. Maybe you can design a card, and you can the QR code you can stick on the card, or design a card to this QR code for user login. Here, this is the QR code reader. Scan here. And the reverse vending machine will log in for this QR code. The number is according to this QR code number. Okay, and other information. Start. Please start, and the door will be open.
Please insert plastic bottles into the RV.
Okay. Here, I have a bottle with water. This is water in the bottle. If I insert the bottle, what will be happen?
Too much residual.
Too much liquid inside. So the bottle will be rejected. Okay. Now this is an empty bottle. I insert some empty bottle. Here is the barcode. You need to scan the barcode on alien scanner. The machine has a powerful, strong crusher. If successful recycled, the bottle will be crushed. Finally, I give you inside. Repeat. Wait. The door will close, and the screen will show some information, electronic receipt. Okay.
Thank you for your support for environmental protection.
Okay, that's all. And then inside, you can. This is flatted bottle, flatted, crushed. Look here. This is alien barcode scanner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To structure alien scanner. When the bottle put the bottle in, the barcode will be scanned, and then will match the database will match the barcode, right? Okay. Then here, this is a strong motor. The function is to crush every bottle. Okay, and back in the back we have a AI camera to recognition every standard of bottle. Okay. Okay, that's all.